Welcome to Pente Spotlight, where we break down the biggest tech news in a way that actually makes sense. Today, Mira Murati, former CTO of OpenAI, just unveiled AI that can listen, speak, watch, and think all at the same time, in real time. I'm Emily, your "the collaboration bottleneck is finally being fixed" person.
And I'm Lucas, tech enthusiast who has definitely lost his train of thought waiting for AI to finish before I can jump in. This one is solving a very personal frustration.
Same. Every AI today works in turns. You talk, it stops listening, generates a response, then you go again, like a phone call with a 3-second delay on every single exchange. Murati's startup Thinking Machines Lab built something completely different, TML Interaction Small, breaking everything into 200 millisecond microturns, where the AI simultaneously listens, watches, speaks, draws, and uses tools all at once. You can interrupt it mid-response, guide it in real time. It even understands wait 4 seconds before answering.
And crucially, they built real-time collaboration directly into the model architecture, not bolted on as a software patch like most existing solutions. That's the key difference. Interactivity that scales with intelligence rather than fighting against it.
Think about how you actually work with a colleague. You interrupt, clarify, redirect, show things mid-conversation. That's how real work happens. Current AI forces everything into rigid question-answer format that simply doesn't match how humans naturally think or collaborate.
Coming from the person who helped build ChatGPT, this is worth paying close attention to. If anyone understands where AI collaboration falls short, it's her. The future isn't just smarter AI, it's AI that genuinely works with you.
Yeah, that's all for today's Pente Spotlight.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and stay curious. Thanks so much for listening. See you on the next Spotlight.